Hello, learners. Hope you all are fit and fine. I am your host and those welcome you all in Learnsmart's EVS classes. So, learners, today we will learn about ourselves. Today we will learn that how to introduce ourselves with others. And for that purpose, I introduce a girl to you, and her name is Sneha, who tells you about herself. Hello, Sneha. Say hi to your new friends and start introducing yourself to your new friends.
Sure, ma'am. Hello, friends. My name is Sneha. I am 6 years old. My mother's name is Meenakshi. My father's name is Rohan. I have one sister. My birthday is on 9th January.
Very good, Sneha. So, learners, similarly, you can also introduce yourself like firstly telling your names to others, then about your age, about your mother's and your father's names, and at last about your birthday. And now Sneha will tell you about what food she likes to eat and what games she likes to play.
Sure, ma'am. I like masala dosa, pizza, cheese sandwich, gulab jamun, pasta, and samosa. But my favorite food is chocolate cake. And now I will tell you about the games I like to play. I like hopscotch, carom, hide and seek, and skipping. But my favorite game is skipping.
Very well, Sneha. So, learners, did you listen her carefully? You can introduce yourself by telling your name, your age, your mother's and father's names, about your siblings, and about your birthday. Then tells about the food and the games you like. And now Sneha will tell you some more about herself, her family, and her hobbies.
Sure, ma'am. My name is Sneha. I am 6 years old girl. I live in Delhi. My address is flat number 56, Dwarka sector 14, Delhi. I study in first class. My school name is Navjeevan Model School. There are 4 members in my family. My mother's name is Meenakshi. My father's name is Rohan. I have an elder sister. My favorite food color is blue. I like painting and dancing. Now I'm leaving. And now it's your turn to introduce yourself. Ta-ta!
So now learners, let us summarize what we learned today. Firstly, we can introduce ourselves by telling our names to others, such as my name is Sneha. Secondly, when we talk to our friends, then we discuss our favorite games, food items, and other things that we like, such as my favorite color is blue. I love to eat pizza and I love to play carom. And thirdly, when we meet new people, we tell them about ourselves like our family members, school, class, home address, hobbies, and our likes and dislikes. So, learners, that's all for today. Hope you all are like this video and learn that how to introduce yourself to others. And if you like this video, then like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe Learnsmart. So learners, it's time to leave. And we will meet you in the next video with another smart topic. Till then, take care of yours and your near and